Good morning, kids. Today we are here at page number 15. Today I'll introduce you a new sound. First you tell me, what is this? Anyone knows? This is grapes. Grapes. Wow, what is this? Glasses. Glasses. Okay. And what is this? Good. This is glass. Glass. And what is this? These are gloves. Gloves. Grapes, glasses, glass, and gloves. And this is G. What is this? G. G is make a K, go up, come down and down, then turn a little. G is make a K, go up, come down and down, then turn a little. G grapes, G grapes, G grapes. G glasses, G glasses, G glasses. G glass, G glass, G glass. G gloves, G gloves, G gloves. G grapes, G glasses, G glass, G gloves. G grapes, G glasses, G glass, G gloves. Now you tell me, where is glass? Good, here is glass. Where is grapes? Good, here is grapes. Now, what is this? Good, glasses. Glasses. What are these? Good, these are gloves. Gloves. And what is this? Good, this is glass. Glass. And what are these? These are grapes. Grapes. G grapes, G glasses, G glass, G gloves. Today you have to read G things, okay?